Hello kids, welcome again to the channel. I hope you all are fine. So, previously we have learned some internal and external organs, right? And also some sense organ. How many sense organ do we have? 5. Yes. Today we are going to learn some important internal organs. Let's have a look. Look here. Can you name this part? This is internal part, right? We have already discussed. Yes, it is our brain. Where it is located? It is located inside head. Can you tell me any one thing that you do with the help of brain? Yes, thinking, right? Yes, do you know that we can do some more important things with the help of brain? Let me tell you, when you are walking, it is with the help of brain. When you are reading, it is also with the help of brain. And if you are breathing right now, it is also with the help of brain. So, brain not only helps us in thinking, but also it controls all the functions of our body. Got it? One more question to you. Do you remember your father's phone number? Yes, you do. You know who helped you to remember that number? Yes, it is our brain. So, today we have learned that brain is our important internal organ and it helps us to think. Yes, and it also stores informations and the most important is it controls all the function of our body. Now, moving to our next internal organ. Can you see this and name this internal body part? Yes, these are our lungs. How many lungs do you see here? 2, right. So, we have 2 lungs. Can you tell me the function of lungs? Yes, right now you are breathing and breathing out. It is with the help of lungs. Can you tell me what do we breathe in? Oxygen. And what do we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Do you know our blood is rich in oxygen? From where does the blood get that oxygen? Yes, lungs helps blood to get oxygen rich, and that's why we are having blood full of oxygen. So, lungs helps us to breathe. It helps us to breathe. And it passes oxygen to the blood. Got it? So now, let's move to our next internal organ, which is very important. Can you see this? Yes, this is our heart. Can you tell me what is the function of heart? No, let me tell you. Whenever you get cut in your body, what comes out? Blood. When you get cut on your toes, then also blood comes. From where the blood goes in our whole body? Yes, this is the function of heart. Heart pumps the blood to our body. So the function of heart is it pumps blood to our body. Okay. It pumps blood to our body. Now, let's move to the next internal organ. Although there are so many internal organs, but we will only talk about 4, and this is the last one. Can you see this? And can you guess which internal organ is this? Yes, it is our stomach. And everyone knows what does the stomach do? Yes, whatever food we eat, it digests inside the stomach. And after eating the food, what do we get? Energy, right? So, the function of the stomach is to digest the food that we eat and releases energy that is utilized by our body. Got it? So, the last internal organ which we study is stomach, and it digests the food and also it releases energy. Do you know stomach is just like a bag? Let me show you the shape of the stomach. Look, can you guess the letter? Is it looking like J kind of? Yes. So stomach is a J-shaped bag which is filled with the food that we eat, and the food gets digested inside the stomach. Okay? And today we have learned about heart too. This is our heart. Can you see the heart? And it pumps the blood to our body. Now it's time for pair of lungs. Can you feel the lungs? If you want to feel it, breathe in, keep the palm on your chest. You will feel the lungs is getting filled with the air. And we have pair of lungs, right? And this is our brain. Students, when do we call a person healthy? When their organs are working properly, right? Whether it is internal or external. But have you ever seen old age people, your grandparents? Are they getting weaker day by day? Yes. And do you know the reason is? The organs are getting weak. So, we need to help them in their old age because organs gets weak in the old age. Okay, so let's recap the today's learning. We have learned about internal organs and we have learned only 4 important internal organs, that is brain. First one is brain, and it helps us to think, right? It stores information in the form of memory. It also controls all the functions of our body like breathing, walking, running, etc. So this is the most important function of our brain. Now moving to lungs, we have pairs of lungs and it helps us to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Also, it passes oxygen to the blood. So, we get oxygen-rich blood in our body. Now, moving to heart, it pumps blood to our body. And the stomach, it digests the food and releases energy from it. So stay tuned for the next video and do not forget to like, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.